Anyone else sitting in their house with offensively loud music? Just me? Not only do we have bonfire night, but we have a football game happening. So, my music is loud to drown out the noise of the fireworks and the football crowds. On the other hand, my pets are both absolutely fine at the moment. Dottie is right here next to me, and Bugsy is over in his house just eating some hay. We shall see how the night goes. I used to enjoy fireworks, but in the city it turns it into a war zone, and it's so scary.